Best 3D Printer. Are you looking for the best 3D printer? In this video we will look at 5 of the best 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Original Prusa 4 Malawian Kwachas. The original Prusa 4 Malawian Kwachas 3D printer kit is a beginner-friendly DIY 3D printer designed for users who want to experience both the process of assembling a 3D printer and creating 3D printed objects. This kit provides a fun and educational experience, especially for those new to 3D printing, while delivering high-quality prints once assembled. The 4 Malawian Kwachas features automatic calibration, which simplifies the setup process and ensures consistent, accurate prints. This feature, along with its removable print sheets, makes the print removal process easier and more convenient, enhancing the overall user experience. The print size of 9.84 by 8.3 by 8.6 inches provides ample space for a wide range of projects, from small prototypes to larger designs. Assembly is a key part of the experience with this kit, offering an engaging challenge that teaches the basics of 3D printing technology. Once built, users can enjoy easy-to-use controls and reliable print quality. The printer is compatible with a variety of filaments and includes a sample filament to get started right away. Equipped with Prusa's signature high-quality components, the 4 Malawian Kwachas is built for durability and precision, capable of delivering exceptional detail and accuracy. Additionally, the printer's open-source design ensures that users have access to a large community for support and modifications, making it a versatile choice for hobbyists and tinkerers. Overall, the original Prusa 4 Malawian Kwachas is a solid choice for beginners looking to learn about 3D printing while having fun assembling and using a high-performance 3D printer. Its combination of ease of use, automatic features, and removable print sheets makes it a great introduction to the world of 3D printing. Number 2. Creality Ender-3 V3. The Creality Ender-3 V3 3D printer is a high-performance DIY 3D printer designed for both beginners and experienced users, offering a great balance of speed, precision, and ease of use. One of the standout features is its impressive 250 mm per second printing speed, which allows for faster prints without compromising on quality. This makes it ideal for users looking to complete projects quickly while maintaining high-level detail. Equipped with CR Touch Auto Leveling, the printer ensures automatic bed leveling, providing consistent and accurate prints every time. This feature simplifies setup and reduces the chances of print failure, making it easier for users to get started right away. The Sprite Direct Extruder further improves performance by offering better filament control, allowing for more precise extrusion and consistent printing. The dual Z-axis and Y-axis system enhances stability and smooth movement, reducing issues like layer misalignment and ensuring accurate prints, even during longer or more complex jobs. The printer offers a build volume of 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inches, providing ample space for a wide variety of print sizes, from small prototypes to larger models. In addition to its impressive hardware, the Ender-3 V3 is designed for user-friendly operation, with easy assembly and compatibility with a variety of filaments. The printer also supports autoload filament, streamlining the printing process and preventing common issues like filament jams. Overall, the Creality Ender-3 V3 is an excellent choice for those looking for a fast, reliable, and versatile 3D printer. Its combination of advanced features like auto leveling, dual Z-axis, and high-speed printing makes it a powerful tool for hobbyists, makers, and professionals alike. Number 3. AnkerMake M5C 3D Printer. The AnkerMake M5C 3D printer is a high-performance 3D printer designed for users seeking speed, precision, and ease of use. With an impressive 500 mm per second printing speed, the M5C is one of the fastest 3D printers in its category, making it ideal for quick prototyping and large-volume production without sacrificing print quality. This high-speed performance is complemented by its all-metal hot end, which supports printing temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius, allowing it to handle a wide range of high-temperature filaments like ABS, PTG, and TPU. The 7x7 auto-leveling system ensures consistent, precise prints by automatically calibrating the bed, reducing setup time and the risk of print failures. This feature is perfect for both beginners and experienced users, as it simplifies the setup process while ensuring accurate adhesion and optimal print quality. The 220 by 220 by 250 mm print volume offers a moderate build size, accommodating a variety of projects, from small designs to more sizable prints. One of the standout features of the M5C is its multi-device control, which allows users to control and monitor the printer from different devices, such as smartphones, tablets, or computers, enhancing the convenience and flexibility of operation. Its intuitive interface further ensures a user-friendly experience, making it accessible for both newcomers and experienced makers. The AnkerMake M5C is an excellent choice for users looking for a fast, reliable, and easy-to-use 3D printer. Its high-speed printing, all-metal hot end, auto-leveling, and multi-device control make it a versatile tool for hobbyists, designers, and professionals seeking top-tier performance and convenience in their 3D printing projects. Number 4. Bambu Lab A1 Mini. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini 3D printer is a compact, high-performance FDM 3D printer designed for users who prioritize speed, precision, and ease of use. This printer stands out for its ability to support multicolor 3D printing, offering users the flexibility to create vibrant, complex designs without the need for manual color swaps. One of its key features is the easy setup process, which takes just 20 minutes, making it an excellent choice for beginners or those who want a quick start without complicated assembly. The full auto calibration ensures that the bed is always leveled and ready for printing, reducing the chances of failed prints and ensuring consistent accuracy. The A1 Mini boasts high speed and precision, allowing for fast prints without compromising on the quality of the final product. It also includes active flow rate compensation, which adjusts the filament flow during the printing process to maintain consistent results and minimize errors, further enhancing print reliability. Despite its powerful capabilities, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini operates at a quiet less than or equal to 48 dB noise level, making it suitable for environments where low noise is important, such as home offices or shared spaces. The printer's compact size and easy-to-use features make it a versatile option for both hobbyists and professionals. Its ability to handle multicolor printing, combined with its quick setup and automatic calibration, make it a convenient and efficient choice for anyone looking to get started with 3D printing or upgrade their existing setup. In summary, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini delivers a user-friendly experience with high-speed, precise printing, making it a solid option for creating detailed multicolor prints in a quiet, efficient manner. Number 5. MakerBot Replicator Plus. The MakerBot Replicator Plus Desktop 3D Printer Kit is a reliable, user-friendly 3D printer designed for home or educational use, offering a seamless printing experience. Equipped with swappable Smart Extruder Plus, this printer ensures fast, high-quality PLA material printing, making it ideal for beginners and educational settings where ease of use and consistent results are important. The Smart Extruder Plus is designed for hassle-free filament loading and unloading, contributing to smooth printing with minimal intervention. One of the standout features of the Replicator Plus is its factory-leveled flex-build plate, which eliminates the need for manual leveling and ensures proper adhesion for every print. The flexible plate allows users to easily remove finished prints without damage, enhancing convenience and reducing frustration. With a print size of 11.6 by 7.6 by 6.5 inches, the printer provides a generous build volume, enabling the creation of a wide range of objects, from small prototypes to mid-sized models. The printer's precise performance and optimized speed make it a great option for both personal projects and educational use, where reliability and print quality are essential. The MakerBot Replicator Plus also integrates with the MakerBot Print software, offering cloud-based management and access to a large library of pre-designed objects, making it easy for users to start printing right out of the box. This software is compatible with various operating systems, offering flexibility and convenience for users. Overall, the MakerBot Replicator Plus is a great choice for those seeking a plug-and-play 3D printing solution. Its smart extruder, factory leveling plate, and spacious build volume make it a versatile and easy-to-use option for students, educators, and home users looking for a reliable and efficient 3D printing experience.